Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of logging into your TaskRabbit worker profile. Follow these easy step-by-step instructions to access your account effortlessly. 1. Open the TaskRabbit website. Launch your preferred web browser and go to the official TaskRabbit website at www.taskrabbit.com. 2. Click on the Login button. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. 4. Remember Me option. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. This will save your login details for future visits. 5. Click Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your worker profile. 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, a verification code will be sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter this code to complete the login process. 7. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your TaskRabbit worker dashboard, where you can manage your tasks, view requests, and update your profile. Thank you for following our guide on logging into your TaskRabbit worker profile. For more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video.